Hi guys, it's Derek with Diamonds. I have a package to show you guys. It is from Leopard Leatherworks. So, we're going to get into the pin first that I just ordered from their blank drop from their website. They have blanks you can buy out off their website, and they can turn it into a pin. So guys, this is the constellation pin, I call it. Okay, let me get you down here in the light. Let me turn on my other light, see if that'll help its color shine a little better. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so has diamond sparkle in it. You can really see it right there. This is the Morse code turn, which, to be honest, I like it a lot. So, then you have this speck of orange here. I actually have that painting from Dakota Dotweiler on my wish list. So that's right up my alley. So there's that pin, guys. So we're just going to throw a little tip on it here, just to put a tip on it. And, ooh, that's tight. But, which means, let's try. See, where's my pen? We're going to try my lovely, oh, nice. Nice. So it does work really well for the Diamond Art Club placers, that's why. So, there's that pin. We're going to put this placer back on. There we go. There's that pin. I will show you all three of my Leopard Leatherwork pins at the end. This one's special. So, I had found a cocoon blank, and I bought it. Then I asked them to send it to Leopard Leatherworks to be turned. And I paid for the turning part of it. And then they turned the pin for me. Guys, the purples and pinks in this pin. I love it. So guys, what you think? I love this color. Love this turnstile. So this pin is for my Cauldron of Myrrh. Some people hold their pins down here, or up here, or up here. And I think that's why they made this pin this way. But I don't know. I'm all the way at the end. Always have been. So, gorgeous. He does a wonderful job turning. So yes, this pink is like that weird pinky color that's in the cauldron. And the purple kind of It goes from this gorgeous pink to this darker purple, then to this really deep purple at the end. Love this pen. Grab another multi-placer here. These are going to be tight when you first get them because of what they are. Now, you're probably wondering what other pen I have by them. Here are my 3 pens by Leopard Leatherworks, guys. So I do go on their lives. I try to catch their lives as much as possible so that I get to try out. I am actually going to be using this pen for my Dragon Spirit. It's another reason why I got the pen, so it would match. But before I do, let's get my tips switched over. I am going to try something though. I want to see if this will hold without having washi tape on it. No. So I will re-washi tape it, guys. But here's my pens, guys. And with that being said, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to donate to my channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And love yourself. Love each other, guys. Happy diamond painting, guys. Bye.